In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy, that's where it's at. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Can we get some bingo bangles in the chat? I'm bingo and a bangos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The best part about it, it's a good new year. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year. Let me go ahead and get off this screen. Joe, why don't you wake up and get started? Oh, yeah. I've been under the weather. It's more allergies than anything else. And the allergies, it's nothing bad. It just discombobulated. That's all it is. I'm discombobulated. All right. Here we go. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. All right. So let's go and get started. I don't know if you can OD off of cough drops, but we'll find out. I do have a mute button now. I do have a mute button, so that way y'all don't have to hear me coughing. All right, so let's get started. Let us get started. First, we're looking at Bitcoin. Well, you know, I didn't do this on my show earlier. Let's look at crypto bubbles. Let's look at that really quick. Let's see what the new year has in store for the bubbles. We got Jesse. What's going on? Appreciate you being here. Jesse, a.k.a. the GOAT. Same thing with the username. I think they're the same person, to tell you the truth. Username, a.k.a. the GOAT. These guys have time and time again provided coins that do stuff. So if they ever put out a coin, you might want to write it down, research it, and of course, not financial advice, but you might want to look into it. All right. What flavor cough drops? Lemon. Lemon honey. Lemon honey. Oh, that reminds me. I should do that. Have very hot water with lemon and honey in it. I should do that. Let's see here. But we have the Penguin. Ping-U is 6.7% on the hour. We have some coins coming up. This looks much better than it did earlier on my show. We have AI16Z doing some numbers, 4%. We have Virtuals, 4%. We have Hype, 2.5%. I really like Hype. I'm not in this one, I don't believe. There's so many exchanges, so many tokens, so many blah, blah, blah. But I think Hype is going to be amazing. I need to pick some up. I really do. I just have too many coins already. I've been taking profits like crazy off of Quants. Oh my gosh. Quants. 400 and something %. I just posted on my Twitter. Crazy. And all right, let's get started. We have Vet. Vet is doing big stuff, guys. Vet is an oldie but goodie. I'm doing some good stuff. I love vets. I've always loved vets. I love the whole concept of being able to track your stuff. You know, is this really a Louis Vuitton? Is this really a Jason Adams? I don't know if that's a real name. I don't know. I'm not into too fancy stuff. Give me Walmart and give me peace. That's all I say. Give me something that is cheap so I can save money. Now, nothing wrong with having good clothes, though. Nice clothes, quality clothes. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see here. Going down the list. See, username says, Uncle Jesse is my favorite AI play. I knew he was AI, but you're the same person, so you're kind of telling on yourself. The best flavor, lemon honey. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yeah, B-Cut, I still have that one up. We'll look at that one again, but B-Cut is doing some work, and we did some research on it. I already forgot what it was, but I liked it. I remember that I liked it. there's a lot of ones that I do research on. I just forget because I do so much research on all of them. But I forget. See here. I love vets, but username says my dog hates the vets. Yes. All right. So let's go and get started, guys. Let's get started. Here we go. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is, I refer to Bitcoin as that crazy ex, super hot, but you don't know if she's happy or sad or depressed, or not so much depressed. It's either the extreme, happy or mad. And here it looked, we had a bounce, okay, but we have lower highs, so it's losing momentum, probably come up to here, come down, and then we just got to see what it's going to do. Is it going to break above or go down? And then, of course, it did break down. Then it started getting resistance, right on this trend line, resistance. And then it finally just came down. Everybody's going short, and it came right back up. Everybody getting wrecked. Everybody's going long, and then it crossed this level, and then everybody get wrecked again. Everybody get wrecked again, and now people are getting wrecked again. I'm not trading Bitcoin right now. I'm not trading leverage right now. I'm just on the sidelines. I'm doing these other, Solana base plays. I finally, for the love of God, I finally figured out, thanks to one of my VIP members, I finally learned how to, I don't know if I asked for help here, but I know I didn't get any help from anywhere but from my member. So my question was, I could do Solana tokens all day long, like all these, like quants, I could do, it's on the Solana network. This one was another recent one that we just posted. First one was down here, then we added here, then we added here. But these soul coins, I could enter these no problem. It's the base ones that I couldn't do. Even though I'm on Uniswap and I had it on the base network, I couldn't do it with my ETH. Well, one of my members told me it's not regular ETH, you have to do wrapped ETH. I did that, and let me just see. It's under downloads. Where is it? Probably this. Is this it? And I think this is the one that I was asking for help. No. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one that I was asking for help. So what I was trying to do is I was trying to buy this. Oh, and if y'all don't know about cookie.fun, might want to look into it. It's going up. But so what I do is I love sharing my alpha. Some people don't. They like keeping it close to the chest. I share my alpha all the time. You asked me to tell you. But this is one of them. But I couldn't do it though. So I got my MetaMask. I'm I'm connecting it, everything. And what I was trying to do was I was trying to stake it. And then eventually I ended up I changed it to the base network. And then it finally showed, because now it was, I forgot the steps I did. I made a video for my group. But anyway, so I changed it to the base network. But I had my question. So this is the base network, and you can add networks here. But and then I'm showing how to transfer it to the that wallet. And then so here is Ethereum, I think. Yeah, ETH on the base network. So that's what I did. And anyway, but I finally got it. I thought I saved it. Oh man, I wish I should have saved it. I don't see it here though. Oh, this is probably it. What's this? Oh no, I have a lot of stuff to do. All right, moving on. Okay, so let's see what y'all are saying. I kind of like doing this. It's just hanging out. That reminds me, man, I got to take some more profit on quants. Let's see here. See here. Punky token at the fantastic buy price. Bullish. Oh, let's check it out. So we're going to look at B cut once again. And then we're going to look at Punky. So we will check that out. Thank you, more money. Appreciate you, man. See here. Wood up 30.32%. Jesse says 206% the past week. Fantastic, man. 16,000%. 403 for the last month. Man, killing it. Killing it. Killing it. All right, so let's look at B cut really quick. So this is B cut. I think we did this one yesterday, the 31st. We were saying this, enter right now, lower bids down here in case it comes down. I don't think it'll come down to this, but, this one for sure. Nope, went up. And it's been doing really nice. Sorry about that. Let's see here. I got to clear out, man, I have like 30 tabs open, so we may get an error message. Let's go YouTube. Oh, what's going on, Al? Appreciate you, man, being here. We're going West. We'll look at that one. We looked at that. I'm kind of upset with that one, man. I missed it. I missed it. So let's look at Punky. Punky looks good. 4-hour time frame looks like it's bouncing off of our zone right here. And it's bounced off of our zone before. So this one is one that we were looking at when it was over here. And let's kind of just zoom in. We're looking at it when did we look at it? I need to do better with dates. What's this white line? I don't know. So for this one, so here's the alert for sure. So the prices would have been right here. So the price is right here. What we want to do is we want to set an alert above this wick. This is what I'm showing. So if price goes up, it has to cross this wick. And what we want to do is we want a 4-hour candle to close above this white line. So we didn't enter at this time. We waited. Came up, rejection. Then our alert goes off. We see that the 4-hour candle close above this. And then we enter. This is how not to wait for coins. To where when your alert goes off, you can check it, enter it, and then potentially your coin starts moving much faster than entering it here, waiting 3-4 days, and then it moving. So this is one thing that I do is whenever I post anything, it's because they're ready to move. It's none of this buy the breakout, buy the retest, none of that crap. Let's see here. And then, of course, it went, and it came down, and then it went up, came down, went up. Once when it broke this level, watch out. Came into our zone again, which is good. We had our stop loss down here, showing support, higher lows, and then it broke this level. This is another area that you could have entered. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, Joe. You're only saying that because it went up. No, this is what I teach every single time. I don't deviate from my teaching. This is what we would have done. Price went up, and then comes up. Now let's deviate from my teaching. I wouldn't say deviate. I would say adjust to what cycle and what fragment we're in the cycle. But this is the basics of my teaching. The foundation broke this level. Is breaking a resistance good? Breaking a support not good. That simple. That simple. So here we would have entered again, and then it did its thing, going up, going up, going up, going up. More than likely hit all our targets. Now we're doing a rinse and repeat. Now we're doing a rinse and repeat. So for here, let's see here. Right now, this would be catching the bottom. This would be catching the bottom if the price goes up. We don't know that the price will go up, but if we do enter right now, you can brag to all your friends. Or if you have a YouTube channel, look at me, I caught the bottom and join my group and this and that. That's what you can do. This, very dangerous. However, very rewarding because it's the bottom. Now, what is a safer entry? A safer entry is when it breaks one of these levels. But this level is really close to this level. This level is not really close to this one. But this one right here is our very defined pivots. I mean, it went up, it stopped, and it came down. This one is very defined. But this one is also good. What is the price range difference between where we're at and the safer entry, 9%? The very safe entry is 25%. I'm okay with the safe entry. So here's a couple different ways of thinking of this. One, we could do and it depends if you want to have a stop loss or not. Now, I'm always preaching stop loss. Don't get me wrong. I'm always preaching stop loss. However, this first quarter of 2025, we finally made it. This first quarter, I am not putting any stop losses. You can only do this in certain segments of the bull run, of the bull market, of any market. If you were to use this same strategy 6 months from now, you would get wrecked. It's extremely important because right now, since we're at the very beginning of the bull run, if you have a stop loss, chances are the pullbacks are going to be 30%. You're going to get stopped out. However, if you have this different strategy to where you enter the trade now, and here, this is not a stop loss. Get out of here, stop loss. This would be a lower entry. And let me check to see. I would actually do my lower entry here, about 26% from here. So this will be lower entry. And let's make it look fancy. Let's do this. Now, once again, you can only do this in certain times. You can't do this all the time. You do this, a different time than now, you will get wrecked. 100%. So what we do is we enter now, hopefully catch the bottom, and just know this, guys, every coin is going up. Let me repeat that. And I'm going to keep on saying that. Y'all guys may get tired of me saying it, but I'm going to keep on saying it. Every coin is going to go up. Your mentor that you think is a genius, you yourself that, man, I know how to trade. I don't need to get any groups or anything like that. Everything is going up. The tricky part, it's easy to make money. The tricky part is keeping it. Stay tuned in to Piper Academy Network. We will show you how to keep your money. Same thing on my channel, Trade Intuition. I will show you how to keep your money. It's very easy to make it in the bull run. If you don't make money, something's wrong. We'll put it that way. See, if you don't make money, something's wrong. Your guru that you look at is going to be looking amazing. The group that you're in is going to be doing fantastic. You're going to be just killing it. Everybody makes money. The difference is who keeps it. If you don't have a good mentor, if you don't have a good group, you'll see. You'll see. Stick around, Piper Academy Network. See here, Moho says, tell that to my portfolio, Joe. None of mine are going up. Oh, that's where you're wrong. We're just starting this. All the ones that you've had went through the rocky stages, the ups and the downs, the ups and the downs. Right now, the beginning of the year is when it starts. Mark my words. Pick any coin. Pick it. You don't even have to enter it. Pick it, and then in 3 months from now, see if it didn't go up. I guarantee it. I'm willing to bet my entire $14 portfolio. I am willing to bet it. Granted, I don't advise betting, but 100% every single coin will go up. Now, granted, we've kind of been seeing it on some coins already, depending on how much they've gone down. But I guarantee it, every single coin. And if you have coins that you're down, I have people ask me, Joe, should I sell? Why? I mean, it's right around the corner. This is like a week ago. We were right around the corner. Like, just wait. You're going to see that all these coins that you're down 40, 50%, if not more, or 10%, whatever it is, just give it time. Give it time, and you will be in the profit, and you will make money. What's the difference between 100% and 200%? Time. That's it. This stuff is so easy, but we complicate it. It really is. On the last stream, I think it was on this one, I literally closed my eyes. And I did this. From here, I'm going to pick a target. Y'all ready? I'm going to pick a target. Here's my target. Oh, I didn't do it. Well, Joe, why'd you close your eyes? Oh, no, can't do it. Wait a minute. I'm going to show you. You ready? I'm going to do a target right here. Gosh darn it. I can't do this. What am I doing? One more time. What's going on? There. What did I do? I clicked something over here. Let's go back to clear. So this is my target. What's the difference between this target, and let me see if I can do it one more time, and this target? Oh, it's the same thing. That target. Time. You wait long enough, you will hit this. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to do anything. Right now is a time where everybody makes money. Everybody. And the only difference between this one and this one is time. That's it. All these mentors that you're going to be seeing, all these YouTubers that you're going to be seeing. Look, guys, we called this one 2 months ago, and it's up 432%. Yes, the entire market is up 400%, 100%. So I need to warn you guys, because you're going to think that all these other people, or including, like, me personally, I don't do this. I show you that people do this. I don't think I've ever, look, guys, we were talking about it way back here. No, I was talking about like thousands of coins way back here, because, well, people bring them up. This is what we would have done. This is when we're looking at it. This is what we've done, and this is how to enter. Versus, look, guys, we were talking about it way over here, and now it's way over here. You give it time, and this is going to happen to every single coin. All right, moving on. Joe, you're cranky today. No, I'm not cranky. Not cranky. Let's see here. Let's catch up on some of this chats. Catch up. Oh, I still got to do these tokens. I forget. Oh, I'm doing Punky. Okay, so I'm doing all right. All right. Going in the list. How do I feel about H-bar? I love H-bar. We'll look at H-bar too. H-bar. Right here. Going down the list. Here. Sometimes I get on a rant. Guys. So just be aware of that. Jesse is a gem, always trying to share the alpha. Oh my gosh. I'm reading some of these chats. See here. Going to the list. Okay, so far we did, I think we did B-Cut. We'll look at B-Cut one more time. Palmkey and H-bar. I think that's all of them. So username's saying something. Saying he likes the DJ and plays. This says, I love helping everybody. Yes, indeed. Okay. See here, Mo says, same target twice in a row. Must mean it's right. I like to let you all buy the higher lows, so it's only up. See, I like to let you all buy the higher lows, so it's up only. That's right, up only. So for this one, to do a realistic target, but since we have a lower bid there, I mean, my first target will be about here, and then I'd sell 50%. So let's do this. This. What time frame am I on? It's 4 hours. So here I would put underneath this right here. I mean, baby numbers. Do I think it'll do more? Sure, but this one we can get, fairly quick. Sell 50%. And then this one right here, 120, looks great. I mean, I actually go even more. About here, 150. And then for this one, sell 50%. And then you just hold it. You hold it. You hold the rest of it till about April, and then you sell. And now you made a crap load of money. Because for me personally, what I've done is I'll buy it here. I'll sell my target 1, target 2, target 3, and I'm out of the trade. And then it does this number. And then I look at it, it's like, oh, well, let me enter it again. I'll do my target 1, target 2, target 3, and I'm out of the trade. And then I go and I look at it's way up here. But just imagine if I had a small percentage of it from way back here, that would be some really nice money. And then a small percentage from way back here, really nice money. And that's why I'm saying, 50% and then 50% and then let the rest ride. For that same reason. You give it enough time, it's going to go up. All right, moving on. See here. See here. Something tells me Tracer Joe would like Island. What I would like right now, I haven't had this in forever. Either menudo or pozole. I haven't had that forever. Back when my San Antonio days, like 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I don't even know if these Mexican restaurants over here serve it. Do they serve it? I don't even know. See here, thoughts on Filecoin. I love it. It's a good oldie but goodie. We'll look at that one too. All right, so we're going to stop messing around. We're actually going to start doing some work. Let's see. Oh, Island is a coin. I had menudo last night. Man, we used to rake in the new year with menudo, pozole. Oh, man. It was so good. So good. Let's see here. Jesse, I don't know. Let's see here. So this is what I do on this one. So H bar. I keep on forgetting if we looked at this one. This one's doing great. This was given to us. We entered this one yesterday, and it's doing really nice. Pullback. I would like to see more of a pullback to about here, maybe 79.8 before going up. But it looks very strong, very strong. Let's see here. Okay. Let's do H bar. H bar. Looks great. Looks great. It looks Tony the Tiger. Big time Tony the Tiger. I would love to see it come down. I don't think it is, though, because we're already too late in the market. We're already too late in the phase. Unless Bitcoin just dumps and the alts follow. But right now, the alts are kind of going away from Bitcoin because everybody knows that right now is a time that the alts make the most money. So I would love to see a lower bid get hit right here. I don't think that's happening. Let's see here. So this looks really nice. We had our highs coming down, taking up some of this liquidity, coming down, Very nice. Equal low. Very nice. And now it's starting to come up, starting to fight, starting to break above this. This is what we need to see. This is basically what we're looking for. We're break of their most recently created high, or the pivot, which is this right here. It looks like it wants to go up. I don't think it'll come down here to get this. I would love for this. But now that we're already in January, you know, we can still have pullbacks. We can still have pullbacks. January the 20th, the inauguration, presidential inauguration is going to explode, in my opinion, the market. A week prior, I think it's going to start moving very, very nice. I could be wrong. I think it's going to do very, very nice. Doge, you might want to get. Give you a heads up. All right. Let's see here. Higher lows. Yes, higher lows. It's showing strength. Wick's wife 589. What's going on? So here, Joe, have you charted XRP? Nope, I can do that though. I still need to get my XRP off of my wallet's XRP, so I can sell it all and be done with it. Finally be done with XRP. Now, granted, I bought XRP when I didn't know about crypto. That was my first coin. So I'll give you a heads up. All right. But never again will I ever own XRP. Ever again. All right. Let's see here. H-bar. I like it. And I like it because it looks like it's getting strained. We had low, lower low, lower low. Now it's kind of changing the momentum. It doesn't need to break above this though. I mean, it did, but right now it's having a hard time. Same thing with anything. If I really like this coin, would I enter it? Sure. Even though I think it's going to come down? Sure, why not? Why? Because give it a week or two, if that long, everything's going up. You mean everything, Joe? Everything. I don't know, Joe. My mentor didn't say that. Well, I am. And all these coins are going up. If you like this coin, I'd get into it. Now, granted, if it looked very weak, I'd still get into it. I don't care. I'm going to wait 2 weeks and it's all going to go up. And let's say in 2 weeks I get paid and it dropped 30%. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to add to it. Now, what happens if it goes up 80% and I missed it because I was waiting for the perfect entry? Well, I just have to enter 80% higher. All these coins are going up. Every single last one of them. And all these mentors are going to look like geniuses. All these YouTubers are going to look like geniuses. Every coin is going up. Joe, you talk the truth. You say stuff, it is real. I do. All right, so I like it. I like it right now. And plus it's not only that, but it's showing strength. I'd have a lower bid down here. I don't think it's going to hit, but I would have one down here. And then and add to your pullbacks. Add on pullbacks. Let's see, will this one do it? Let's see here. Let me see. Yep. All right. All right, very good. So that's what I'll do on that one. Filecoin. A coin. Feel. The Phil coin. Yes, we'll do the Phil coin. Looks good too. Man, that one looks really good. Found support. Bounced. Right now we do have this trend line that is breaking. It's ready. This one's ready to rock and roll. I like this one a lot. And our first target, I mean, if you're going to trade it, for me, I wouldn't trade it. I would invest in it. I would hold it. But not financial advice. This one, easy 20%, right at 6.176 for your first target, if you're going to trade it. And then Second target would be right here, about 43%, if you're going to trade it. For me personally, you're going to make, in my opinion, you're going to make more money. And I talk about this on my channel at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Trade Intuition. I talk about this a lot. You're going to make more money if you hold these as opposed to trade them. You can still take profit. Nothing wrong with taking profit. And you can add to your entries. So the theory is, let's go ahead and just kind of walk this out. The theory is, coins like this, you enter. So let's say we only have $500. $500. All right. Let's say we only have $500. And we enter the trade. We'll put all our $500 in there. This is my strategy. And right now we're in the first quarter of the year, up only. And it's doing this. And every time it pulls back 20%, so negative 20%, I'm adding to my entry. And when it pulls back 30%, I'm adding to my entry. Because, 2 to 3 weeks go by, I get paid again, and this time I have $200 that I could put into it. But it doesn't pull back. So another 2 weeks go by, and I get paid again. And I get paid another $200. Now I have $400. And it broke this level, and it's coming up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my, let's say I want to do 200 at each level. So I'm doing 200 at negative 20%, negative 30% for the pullback. And then it pulls back. And now guess what? Now I'm in from way down here, and I'm in here, and I'm in here. We're in up only mode. This strategy is going to make you a crap load of money. You didn't have to join my group to know this. This is what I teach. And this is only in this phase. This is phase 1. Then it comes up. And then, you do that a few times on average for this from now to when we do finally transition into phase 2. We're looking at 3 to 4 months easy. So that's a few times where you can add to these pullbacks. Well, how do you know when the top is, Joe? When we start doing this on the daily time frame, we have a high, and every time the high has been broken. The first time it doesn't break it, we're on full alert. This is our low that it cannot cross. It came down, it came up, and it came down. So now this is our low that's warning us, okay, let's take some profit. We don't have to take it all because it could be a fake out. It could continue going up. Let's take some profit. I'll do 25% because I don't know. And right now I'm feeling really greedy, so I don't want to sell all of it. And then it does this number. Oh, psych me out. Oh, good stuff. So this, it cannot cross this level. It crosses this level. I'm transitioning my thought process from phase 1 up only to phase 2. You better take profit. So, all right. I don't want to bore y'all too much with that stuff. I talk about that more on my channel. But let's see here. So Filecoin, I mean, I like it. It looks good. Let's see here. Going down the list. Use radium. Going down the list. Okay. All right. Very good. All right. So let's see here. So to me, this one looks good. I might enter it. And then here will be my targets. And of course, sell 50% each one, not financial advice. Hold the remainder till about April. And then the example that I just gave as far as phase 2, then that's when you would sell. See here. See here. Robert says, are you kidding me? Boring. Absolutely not. not sure if you're referring to username or Jesse or my training, but yeah. So here, going down the list. But yeah, so these are, so, and I have to, I keep on saying this, especially on my channel. Everybody's going to make money. The hard part is keeping it. And my goal, and the goal of Piper Academy Network, is to show you how to keep it. Because everybody's going to make it. You're going to feel like a genius. If you're in a group or not in a group, doesn't even matter. You're going to feel like a genius. Man, I know it all. Ooh, man. I don't need to listen to nobody. I don't need to know patterns. I don't need to know nothing. All I got to do is know how to buy. You're going to make crap loads of money. Problem is keep it. So, yeah. Let's see here. So we did Filecoin. Let's do XRP. XRP. Hey, did you know that XRP? XRP. Let's see here. Looks good too. We're looking at it here. Set your 4-hour or your alert up here. 4-hour candle needs to close up here. We have lower bids down here, just in case it dumps. Because it had a really nice run up. Just, man, coins dream of that type of run up. And then same thing here. I'm just going over the concept of, it came. You want to buy once it breaks this high. It did it. You want to buy when it breaks this high. And it didn't. And then you want to buy when it breaks this high. Breaks this high. Oh, it broke it, but barely. So we got to wait, break this high. And then, so I'm doing the example again, the break of the high, because it can continue going lower. And we're looking for the break of the lows too. And it just keeps on going down. Now, finally, we do have it to where it broke this high and breaking this high. So right now it's looking good. Would I enter this trade? Even though it's XRP. Let's see, yeah, why not? If I believed in XRP, if I loved XRP, if I liked the stuff that they're working on, sure, I would enter right now. And I would actually have a lower entry just because of this nice little move. How much is it? 10%. Okay, not bad. Actually, it would be up here, about 8%. So I would have a lower entry, about 8%. Just in case, it comes down before it goes back up. To me, this one looks good. So we would say enter now. YouTube entry. Today is January, the first day of the year, January 1st, 2025. It is 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then lower entry. Make it look fancy. And looks good. Let's kind of zoom out. Yeah, nothing. Is this the all-time high for XRP? I thought it was higher than that. It might be just on my MXC. But how would we do a target? One, close your eyes. Pick a spot, any spot, doesn't even matter. That's what I do. But to get more professional, Joe, that's not very professional. Well, then guess what? This is me. I am not a professional guy. I tell you how it is. So what I would do, fib extension, magnet tool, go to our low, go to our high, go to our low, and here are our levels. You can pick any level you want. Any. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Joe, I don't like your trading style. Well, guess what? It's okay. What's the difference between under the 786 and the 1.272? What's the difference? Time. Time. That's it. This one's going to hit faster than this one. Now, this is a very good point. Market cap. That we haven't talked about when I was closing my eyes and just picking any random target. Market cap. Do I think that this coin, let's just say I went crazy and I watched some of these XRP videos and I said it's going to hit $10. Do I think it's going to do that this cycle? No. Next cycle? Probably not. Following cycle? Maybe. Following cycle after that? Pretty sure of it. It's just time. That's all it is time. And of course, by then, the market cap of all these coins will be ridiculously high. Ridiculously high. So that part I do have to kind of tell people in reference to my craziness as far as closing my eyes and just picking any target. Market cap does take into account, but just know that all of these coins, mark my words, all of these coins are going to 2x, 3x minimum. All of them. And if I'm wrong, well, at the end of the bull run, say it, Joe, you were wrong. You said this one was going to 2x and this one was at this price and it only did a 1.9x. You were wrong. Oops, sorry. Every coin is going to go up. Every coin. That's what I said. But yeah, so in reference to this, a reasonable for this bull run due to the market cap, reasonable would be $3 for sure for XRP. I mean, it's right around the corner. It's literally right here. But we can do 362 and then 479. I do think that in this bull run, XRP will hit $5. I really do. We'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. Who's in the chat, guys? Who's in the chat? Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. Let me know that you're here. Let me know that you're here. Or you can do a bingo bango. You can do a bingo and a bango. But let me know you're here. Put a 1 in the chat or a bingo bango. Let me know you're here. Let's see here. I only want a minimum of 27x. That's it. Just 27. Let's see here. Going down the list. Going down the list. That's funny. That's funny. Have you heard about our Lord and Savior XRP? I love it. You guys are funny. You guys are funny. Here. Going down the list. Jesse says, in 24 minutes, show. 24 minutes what? Put the who, what, where, when, why. I have no idea. In 24 minutes. Okay. Oh, I got to check out Island website. All right. I don't even know what it is. Let's check it out. This will be the last one. The last one before we go. Is land. I'm assuming it's this one. I hope they have their website listed. Most of the time they don't have. Here's a website. I like it. It looks like that game that I don't like because there's so many things to do. That's cool. Available on Windows and Mac. I can see people playing this for sure. Create an island, share it, play, and earn. I like that. You create it, you share it, you play it, and you earn money. Oh, my penguins. There's the penguins. Cool. The kid called Beast. Like it? You can go to these different islands. And so you can create islands too. Browse islands. Airdrops. Okay, you piqued my interest. And this, I wasn't even sure when you were talking about it if it was like a coin or not. Dear AI agents, today we share the future of AI in a nifty island and extend to you an opportunity. As Web3's leading game world, we've integrated countless on-chain communities. Now, we want to give you a world to play in. So all these are AI agents. There's my AI XBT. What? It's literally got all the AI agents in here? No. No way. How did you find out about this? Did they post about it? When did you find out about this? And so Island on the 4-hour time frame. Man, looks ready to rock and roll. Right at resistance. At a really nice sell-off period. And this is what you want too. You want the run up, you want the initial sell off, and then now it's gold. Now it's gold. Wow. Yep. I like it a lot. Enter now. And wow. That's a gem right there. I really like this one a lot. See here. And to think I wasn't even look at it. I thought you were talking. I didn't know it was a coin. Here. Bingo bangos. Okay. All right. So who's on after me? Who's on after me? Let me know. Is it who's on right now? Okay, I'm gonna mark my chart. I'm holding you to this. Oh yeah, definitely. This is a buy it now right now. Definitely 100% buy it now. Look, you had this run up, you had the sell off, and now it's coming up right underneath this. I mean, if you're lucky, come down here. If you're lucky. I don't think it will. I think it's up only. Well, I would say up only, but I don't think it'll pull back. Trade fly then lunar. No. Like who's at 5 o'clock? Is there somebody at 5 o'clock? Here, so is there someone who streams at 5? I always forget. Here, waiting for the response on that. Does anybody stream at 5? So let me know. Checking the channel. Don't see anything. I don't see anybody streaming right now. Okay. I guess nobody. All right. So that's it, guys. That's all I got. I do thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Happy New Year. The year is 2025. This is the year that we make a crap load of money. Making it's going to be easy. Keeping it's going to be hard. So very important. See, Tracers, let's see. Tracer Joe, that's 2 coins in 2 days. Maybe I'll drop a third one tomorrow. Username, I love you, man. I love you, man. I do thank you guys very much. Until next time, remember, everybody's going to seem like a genius. Making money is easy right now. Keeping it is the hard part. Be safe. We will show you how to keep it. I do thank you. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, aka Tradester Joe, aka TI Joe. Just letting you know, not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money and keep it. Take care.
In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joe, we bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission.
You guys, thank you so much. And just a reminder, we do this every day, Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do thank you guys, and we will see you next time. Take care.